Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to study Roots English Literature Revision. So take out chapter 2, page 35. See, chapter 2, Sleepy Mr. Sloth. You see, Mr. Sloth is very sleepy. Will he find a nice branch to sleep on? Let us find out. So first, children, read the poem properly. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Repeat 2 or 3. More you read. Okay. So first, comprehension. Okay. Page comprehension. Read and answer. Which is Mr. Sloth's favorite thing? You know, Mr. Sloth's favorite thing, sleeping. So do it on your own and practice. Practice. Reflect and answer this also. And food habit of animals. You know, the giraffe eats leaves. Match the animals with their food. So animal name, left side animal name, right side food name. So match, very important. Match, practice this. Word with words, animals and their babies. Match the names of these animals and their babies with the pictures. You know, cat and kitten. See, find it, cat and kitten. Cow and calf. Duck and duckling. Duck and duckling, goat and kid, tiger and cub. Okay, alphabetical order. You see, some animals have come to visit Mr. Sloth. They are sitting in the alphabetical order on their names. Find out who is sitting where. So you know, alphabetical order means A B C D E F G A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W S Y Z. So alphabetical word means after B, C. So alphabetical orders to find it. Okay, and that alphabetical order of their names. So first you see alphabet. M, D, R, L, H, S. Okay. So this one practice, page 39. Next, one and many is very important. Look at the picture of a park and answer the questions. See how many boys are playing in the park. You see and count it first. Okay. So you see boys 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys. So you tick. 3 option is here, so you choose 1. Answer is 1, so you tick 1. How many girls are on the swing? So you count girls, 2 girls. You see the picture, so you find it 2 girls. Okay. So more than 1 is very important. More than once. So we add es to the word branch or so many. Branch plus es become branches, and add s to the words boy and girl. So boy plus s and girl plus s become boys and girls. So add s or es. Okay. Practice, very important page. Very important page. 1 and many, more. Okay. Next, some words do not follow any of these rules of change together to show more than 1. You see, mouse, mice, children, tooth, teeth. Okay. Next, tick the correct naming words that shows more than 1. This is also practice, is important. He, she, it and they. Also, read this sentence. Ria's tooth falls out, Ria misses the tooth. The bird and the snake live in the tree. The bird and snake are friends. Now read this sentence. So read first. Ria tooth falls out. She misses it. So Ria, she use she has been used instead of Ria. Instead of Ria, it has been used instead of the tooth, and they has been used instead of the bird and the snake. So you see, this is preposition. Okay. We use words like he, she, it and they is place of naming words so that we do not repeat them. So first you see left side he, she, it, they, and use instead of man or boy, girl, woman or girl, animal, bird and non-living things, more than one person's non-living things, animal or bird. So practice it. Number 4, question 4, fill in the blanks with he, she, it or they. Also important. Next, number 3 question. Number 4, also practice pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important. Listen the repeat and the word egg, elephant, bill, hen. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, circle, E sound. Okay. So this is very important. See number 1, 2. See how fill in the blanks with words from the box to write about how you get ready for school. My uniform, go to school, brush my teeth, eat my breakfast, take a bath. So practice. Next, mice is little poem. So have you ever seen mice? What are they like? Read the poem and find out. So read first properly, okay? And very important, and meanings or word bank also. Very important, word bank. Everyone practice word bank. Comprehension, say what do mice have? Match the following. It's very important. What do the mice do the night? You know. So this is practice question answer also. Can you write a poem like this? Look at the poem given below. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. You see, and fill in the blanks. Okay. So practice, children. Page 35 to 47. Practice. Okay.